If you are running an e-commerce brand, you already know that standard product images don't convert anymore. You need hyper-realistic UGC ads that build trust instantly, but hiring content creators for every single product variation will drain your margins fast. Today, I'm going to show you how to build high-converting, production-ready AI UGC ads that convert better than real actors. Max Fusion AI lets you build an entire ad end-to-end without ever leaving the platform, from script to final output. It's all in one place. Now, the thing successful e-commerce creators understand is that the framework matters. The ones generating serious revenue from UGC ads aren't just hitting auto-generate and hoping for the best. You have to bring a real angle to this, so let the AI handle the heavy lifting. But the positioning, the hook, the strategy that needs to come from you, that's what separates a high-converting ad from one that gets scrolled past. So what you're seeing here is the script dashboard. So rather than using it in an edited AI auto-write, I'm inputting a script that's already been thought through. The angle is set, the positioning is intentional. When it comes to actors, you can choose, talking actors, reels, videos, wall of text, whatever you want. You can enter your prompt here. You can then go ahead and choose your actors. So you've got a whole base that you can choose from. Just pick one that you like the look of and go with them. So, you've got Imani here and we're going to click save. So we're going to be using her. You can change the settings, so you can go and use similarity, style, exaggeration, stability, speed. And then once you're happy, obviously you can click generate video. For this one, we get to choose 11v2 or 11v3. We're going to go with 11v2 and just click generate video. You can see here that it is generating.
You keep telling yourself you'll start eating healthier, but your schedule says otherwise. I didn't realize how much easier things could be until I started using this portable blender. Now I can make something quick before work, after the gym, or even while I'm out running errands. It's honestly one of those things that just makes staying consistent feel way less complicated. I didn't expect to use it this much, but now it's part of my everyday routine.
You see how clean that was, how realistic that actually looked. You probably wouldn't even know that that was AI. But for a UGC ad to work, it needs to look real. If it looks low effort or obviously generated, it won't convert cold traffic. Simple as that. This is where Seedance 2.0 comes in. You upload a human face reference directly inside Max Fusion, and it uses that to keep your virtual actor completely consistent across every single scene. No production studio, no filming costs, just a realistic, consistent character throughout the whole ad. And then obviously, if you wanted to make changes, obviously we're using Seedance 2.0. Here we're inside the Seedance 2.0 module, right? And I'm uploading the face reference to lock in the visual avatar. And then I'm going to be rendering the scenes around the product concept. So watch the facial consistency here as it plays through, right? This is what will make this look like general user generated content rather than something you've put together with AI. Obviously you can select your image. We're going to choose this one, click confirm. Obviously you've got your reference video in place. You've got your reference audio. And then obviously you can choose the aspect ratio that you want. We're going to keep that at 9:16. Change the amount of seconds that you want. You can change the quality. We're going to go 1080p. And then we're just going to click generate.
This is my favorite blender. It's it with me everywhere I go. So I'm really excited to show you how to make my favorite smoothie.
And you just see how clean that was. Again, it's just, you just wouldn't know it was AI. And it was all done with Seedance 2.0. You can do things like you can remove the backgrounds. You can replace the voice. You can extend the video. You have your different options here. Upload your reference video, can have your prompt in. But instead of guessing what works, right, you just find a winning ad from a competitor's meta library and replicate the format. The hard work of figuring out what converts has already been done for you. Tools like Copylab, Banana Clone, UGC Blast, and Settings Blast, right, that you match high performing shot structures without any complex prompting. So here I've taken a winning format from a competitor's meta library. I'm importing that reference into Max Fusion and then applying Settings Blast, and you can see it automatically duplicate the pacing and scene structure with our own consistent character drop straight in. So we're just going to click generate.
Guys, I'm not going to lie, I'm feeling a little run down today, but then I remembered my new favorite thing. It's so easy to use. I just add some almond milk and I'm good to go. It's perfect for when I'm on the go and it tastes amazing.
And you can just see how perfect that was. Took the reference video, took our person for the images, and it's just put something so seamless together for us. Stop wasting your e-commerce margins on slow creative testing cycles. Click the link below to sign up for Max Fusion AI, secure your tokens, and start generating winning UGC ads at scale today.